Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best method that you can use to get some interesting results. I'm going to use OGAds CPA network. Here you can see my result. Let's see how you can get some interesting results with OGAds CPA network. I'm going to share with you a step by step. Guys, you just need your mobile phone and internet connection. Before we start, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, what you will have to do is you can go on Google and you can search your Canva. You can visit on this URL. Guys, Canva is a best platform. You can use this platform to create banner ads, posts, thumbnail, logo, PDF, video. You can create any kind of design. You can see here templates. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. You can sign up with Google. You can continue with your email address. Guys, I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. After creating account on Canva platform, now you can search your banner ads. Here you can see there are a lot of templates. You can choose any of these templates. I'm going to use this template. Click on this button. Now I'm going to delete all of this text. You can select this page. I'm going to change its color. Click here. Guys, you can select any of this attractive color. Now I'm going to add your movie poster. You can go on MX Player platform. Here you can see there are a lot of movies available on this platform. You can use any of this movie to promote. I'm going to use this poster. You can go on Google, you can search your movie poster. You can click here. Now you can save this poster. Now you can go on Canva platform. You can click on uploads button. You can click on upload file button. You can select your movie poster. Click on open button. Now you can drag this poster here. Now I'm going to type your text. You can click here. Now you can type your text. Guys, you can type here this kind of text. If you want, you can also change your color. You can select this text. You can click here. Now you can choose any of this color. You can also change your text size. You can also change your font. Now I'm going to animate this text. You can select this text, click on animate button. Here you can see animation option. You can choose any of this option. Guys, you can animate all of this text. You can also select this image. You can animate this image. Now you can change its name. Okay, after completing it, you can click on share button. Click on download button. You can click here. Now you can select this option. Click on download button. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can go on Google Sites. You can click here to open this blank template. Now you can delete this header section. You can type your site name. Now here you can click on YouTube button. You can search your movies. Here you can see there are a lot of movies. You can select any of this movie. Guys, all of these movies are available on YouTube. You can click on insert button. Now I'm going to customize this page. Guys, you can also add here more movies. In next step, what you will have to do is you can insert your banner ads. You can click on images button, click on upload button. Now you can select this banner, click on open button. You can duplicate this banner. Now drag this banner here. Guys, you can see everything is looking perfect. You can also add here more movies. In next step, what you will have to do is you can go on OGAds CPA network. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your username, you can type your email address, you can type your password, and then you can click on next step button. You can type your address information and then click on next step button. You can type your general information and then click on next step button. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on finish button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on tools button. Now you can click on a smart links button. You can click on create a smart link button. Now type your name. If you want, you can type your notes. Now you can paste your URL. Guys, you can paste your movie URL. You can go on MX Player platform. You can click on movies. You can select your Hollywood movies. Here you can see there are a lot of movies available on this platform. Guys, I have created banner ads for this movie. I'm going to use this movie. Click here to play this movie. Guys, here is showing URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on OGAds platform. You can paste your movie URL. Guys, this movie will be locked. When user will complete CPA offer, then that user can be redirected on this URL. That user will be able to watch full movie on MX Player platform. Now you can click on offers button. You can click on add offer button. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can click here to add this CPA offer in your smart link. You can add all of this CPA offer. Now you can click here, go on basics. You can click on create a smart link button. Now you can click on actions. Click on view details button. Here you can see this smart link is active. Here is showing a smart link. You can use this link to promote. You can copy this URL. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can go on Google site. You can select this banner ad. Click on this link icon. You can paste your smart link. Click on apply button. Similarly, you can click here, click on this link icon, paste your smart link. Click on apply button. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. Type your unique web address. You can type your anything. It should be unique. Now click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. This Google site has published successfully. Click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. Click here to copy this URL. Now I'm going to open this URL in new tab. Guys, you can see this Google site is looking great and attractive. Users can click here to play this movie. Guys, I have added a smart link from OGAds CPA network on this banner ad. When user will click on this banner ad, then OGAds network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then OGAds network may credit your account. After completing CPA offer, that user will be redirected on this URL. That user can watch full movie on MX Player platform. Guys, you can share your Google site on all social media platforms to get lots of users. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.